create another video for you guys, give you guys an update on everything that's going on behind the scenes right here in our brand new 10,000 square foot warehouse. So as you will know, over the last few weeks, we've been sharing as much as we can. We've been taking massive action, getting in many of these rooms complete. So we are now at this status where we've got our apprentices in terms of our accountant apprentice, as well as our digital marketer apprentice. Those two are in, top lads. Our management office now at this point is all furnitured. They're loving life in here. We've had a couple of meetings in here already. Our break room, this is one of the actions that we are going to be taking this week, is we are building brand new break room tables from our old warehouse, which is nice. It reminds us of day one every day, so that's really good. Out here in the studio, we've got much of it painted, much of it set up now. So the studio is starting to look good with the wallpaper. We got all that done. The desks right here. This is my command center out here with our COO and Steve. Let us walk around this way. As you can see, we are nearly there now. It's taken us a long time to get all this painted and things, but every day taking massive action. So we're just going to turn the lights on here. So these are brand new lights, really nice light fittings. Them super bright. We've been shipping out of here, so the boxes, our systems are already taking shape. You can see there's most likely a good 150 to 200 boxes right here. All these different shipments are all here, and that's due to our processing systems. So I'll share with you what's going on here. So this side of the room is still in construction. Okay, it's still in construction right here because this is where all our pallets are all going to be, on that side of the room. But in terms of our brand new processing systems, it's already starting to show that our efficiency is growing every single day as we learn, the team get used to it. We've basically got 3 streams, 1, 2, and we've got another one at that side. And let me share with you how this works, which is really awesome. So this is a tray stroke conveyor semi-automated system. So we have, these are actually over 12 meters long, including then the quality control. So we've got 3 separate operations here. We've got this side, we've got the middle, and we've got a quality control. So pre-processing, processing, and quality control. Because we really do care about the speed, quality, absolutely everything. So we've now got tray systems. So they're actually all going to turn into wooden trays, because we found that the plastic don't work immediately. So the wooden trays that are all going to get painted up. You can see this one's got started. That's another action that we're taking this week. We're going to get everything painted up and get everything glossed up. And you see, now we've got a semi-automated system, so we can put the trays and they slide all the way back down to the other side, which is awesome, absolutely awesome. So from a security point of view, we've got a few more cameras to fit. So we've actually got an internal ring. We've got that set up now. We've got 2 externals. We've got our very sure alarm system. That's all set up. So we have contacts on every single entrance in here. So basically, if once the system has been activated, there's basically like these contacts on every single door, as well as the roller shutter doors. Photography sensors, we've got smoke sensors. You can see them all. You may just be able to see those 2 little dots right there, because security is really important in here, as you can imagine. Starting to look really good with the brand new strips here like this. In our team leader's office, so in our team leader's office, let me turn the lights on here. We are starting to rock and roll in here now, starting to get things set up. Everything's still here, there, and everywhere. We've got a dashboard there. We're going to get some Wi-Fi cameras for our brand new quality control system. We've upgraded the printer, so we've got like a real big sort of business printer now, which allows us to print really rapidly. We have a clock machine. So this is an automated clock machine for all the team. So there's like a little iPad mini in there, so you can see this is our front, which is cool. Let me walk to the other side. It takes an age to walk from one side to another now, which is a little bit bizarre in terms of the size of the place. If you ever forget something right in the offices, it's like we may have to get ourselves some rollerblades or something, but not too sure how that's going to be in terms of health and safety. So I'll go outside because we have starting to get real clear in here now. It's beautiful night. So we've had to hire a skip for a couple of skips for the last couple of weeks. You can see it's all starting to clear up, real nice. Obviously the actual warehouse needs sorting out, which one day we will get to. But for now, all this used to be weeded. Everything used to be, didn't look very good. It looked very overgrown and things. So we've had our gardener in, got him from our home to our warehouse just to get a bit of work done for us. Make sure that's all shut. We're getting the roller shutter doors all maintained. We're getting some quotes to motorize the warehouse shutter doors in terms of speed for the team, getting them done. We are really starting to ramp up. There's a lot of still to be done. There's a lot of action still to be done, but we're definitely ramping up. We really are ramping up. We're working on our pallet systems, designing brand new systems for this week, which is going to be really good. Starting to record from the new warehouse, the new studio now, so you can see, starting to get all the lighting and everything all set up. Getting ourselves a bit of a schedule of what we need to do. What else have we done? We're designing. I need to get some measurements for the sign this week so we can get the signs all measured up. But overall, making really solid progress. So just another update for you this week. I hope you've enjoyed these. Let us know down below what your thoughts are. Give it a thumbs up if you've enjoyed it, and I hope you're doing outstanding wherever you are. And remember, keep taking massive action. I will keep doing these updates, keep letting you know what's going on behind the scenes, walking you around so you guys can see what we're doing and how we're preparing. So hope you enjoyed this one. Take care, keep taking massive action. I'll put some more videos right here from the playlist. So if this is the first video that you've watched, you can go all the way back right to the beginning and watch our journey and how we've sort of got through and developed all this. So take care, keep taking massive action, and I'll speak to you very soon. Bye-bye.